Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Ally Bank app not working on your phone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using the Ally Bank app and it's not loading, or maybe it's not letting you log in. How do you actually go ahead and fix that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, the first thing that you can do is that you could actually go ahead and hold down on your phone and swipe up. And notice how the Ally window pops up in a minimized version. You could actually go ahead and hold on to it and swipe up again. And that's going to go ahead and restart your Ally app. So now when you go ahead and open up the Ally app again, see if it goes ahead and loads. The next thing that you can do is that you could actually go into the App Store and you can check and see if there's an update available within your Ally Bank app. So right now you can see that there's no update available, but if there was an update, you can actually go ahead and click on update and it'll update your Ally Bank app. The third thing that you can do is that you can make sure that you're connected to a stable connection. So if I swipe down and then click on the Wi-Fi symbol, you maybe want to connect to your mobile data and turn off Wi-Fi, but there's multiple ways you can do it as far as making sure that you're connected to a stable app so that your Ally Bank app works. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Ally Bank app not working on your phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone.